Good evening, everybody.
Little bit up. Be comfortable. Yes.
Good evening, everybody.
Very good evening.
My name is Ashish Jaiswal, and today I am going to motivate you, and I will give my best to motivate you. And let's begin with the topic that I want to share with you. In life, like we don't give importance to time. Like maximum people I have seen, including me, we don't give much attention towards time. It is said time is money, but we don't concentrate as a money. Like we don't focus. Once the actual time comes, when we realize we have lost our years and years by doing silly thing like which was not necessary. At that time, we realized, no, this was the actual time that was the golden era where we enjoyed. That was not the era. We should have done something which could have helped us in the future. So, if anybody doesn't know about the importance of time, they can go to the doctor and ask, like, who is the patient, like, whose last stage is going. They will realize what is the importance of time. Suppose you are enjoying in a locked room, enjoying yourself, and suddenly Yam comes to you and says, son, you have only 5 days to live on this earth. What will be your reaction? Your reaction will be shocking because you have not done anything in your life. You have just enjoyed your life. And when the time came, like you realized, no, I have only 5 days, you will start working on yourself. You will start proving yourself, no, I have done something in my life. But you have not done in reality. This is the importance of life, and if you are just enjoying, opportunity will not come to you. It will not knock your door. I have come here. Can you open your door? Can you grab me? Opportunity will never come to you until or unless you will go to grab the opportunity. And we should always try to feel the pain because pain is the only line which makes us to realize that we are still alive. Pain is the only key to get success because of pain we get experience of life. As we have already talked on this topic, pain is something plays a very important role. Like why people say practice, practice, practice because practice makes man perfect. But this sentence is incorrect from me. Practice makes improvement, not a man perfect. Because daily if you practice, it will bring an improvement. Suddenly you can't be a perfect man without any improvement. So daily we have to, like, not I am telling all you guys, including me I am considering. We always have to follow the certain schedule on which we can do a good thing. We can study book. If you don't want to study, don't study. If you want to play game, play game. But after playing game, can you study? If you don't want to play games, do something else. You can help your parents. You can go anywhere else to get relief. You can do this kind of thing also. Even myself, I don't like study. Then also I have to study. Why? Because I have a purpose in my life. Without purpose, you cannot, and you are not going to study. I'm just giving 101%. Motivation. What is motivation? Motivation itself says there should be a motive in your life. If there is no motive, you can't be a successful person. We can get a lot of example of Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni. There are many people, those who have achieved their life not because of doing a silliness thing, not because of doing a unimportant thing. They have, if you go and learn their biography, you will come to know how sacrificed they have done. They have left their job because of their passion. They have left their school because of their passion. They had no money to become a film star. Then also they became a world most famous actor in the world. And also I have some certain goal in my life. Everybody should have a vision in their life through which they can achieve. And many examples I feel like most of the teenagers fall in love and they start doing out of the control. Like now I am also a teenager, but I have been taught my father to go in a right direction. But most of the cases I have seen from my college, they go outside of the college. As they go, the moment they go outside of the college, they start smoking. You know, you can't believe, even including a girl, a very beautiful girl. You cannot imagine, like she can smoke. She smokes. I have seen, and the boy also smokes with her, and they think like I am the world's famous person in the world. Like I am a smoking, so I have a different personality. But in the aspect of others, they are nothing. As I would like to give one more example, as Jaiswal sir says, if anyone drives a bike, they drive so fast in the crowd, they think they are the hero in the aspect of others, but behind everybody abuses them. Why? Because they are thinking I am the hero. Why? We should always go according to the society also. Like, so this was another example. And apart from this example, I would like to also give the societies. Once you start growing up, you will be pulled back from the society, from your relatives. They don't want you to become a successful person in your life. Why? Because they are jealous. And many people say like we should not compare ourselves. Not because she said, I have already made my mind. Like why should not we compare ourselves with others? Why? When I was child, my father used to say, as much as blanket we have to under that only. We don't have to remove our leg from that line. So I told to my father, can you buy another blanket if it is a short blanket? So my father said like, no, this is not a cup of tea. Suppose if there is a person, he has a car and bike and a phone, a luxurious house, why should not I compare myself with him? If I will be insulted by him, then the motivation comes. If I will not compare myself with him, he is a rich man, how will I become a rich man? Why will you become rich man? Because when you are comparing yourself, you have that fire in you that you can become more richer than him after comparing yourself. This is the example which gives motivation into me, and also I have my father and mom have a dream they want their children to be a successful. One of the best story of Milkha Singh and the KFC, as you all know, KFC chicken, he failed 1009 times in his life. And the one most famous, Abraham Lincoln, he got success after 50 years. They did not give up in their life. Why to give up? If I know my goal is to reach Kalyan station, then somehow I will reach to Kalyan station. No matter if train is not going, I will go by rickshaw. Yes or no? If our destination in our route is clear, like we have already decided in our mind that we have to become a CA, engineer, doctor, trader, whatever you want, then only you can be. If anybody comes and explains, you know, if you go in this way, you will be proved wrong. Why? Because I have like they come and consult you because they have already failed in their life. Failures gives you motivation. You can fail 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, but not more than 5 times because you already know what happened exactly in the past. As we all know, history repeats itself. So if we keep on doing keep mistaking, so it will bring improvement into us. This is the live example. While speaking, I am telling you, yesterday I was going through the excellence YouTube channel. There was my old videos and I was just watching. If you go through, you will find my videos. There is a old, the same topic I was speaking, give a motivational speech. At that time, I was very nervous because I was a beginner at that time. I was not able to speak fluently. And when I was watching yesterday, I was laughing at myself. No, like genuine question, no grammar, no perfect grammar, no communication skill, no eye contact, just I was told to speak and I was speaking. And no structural grammar I used to use. And genuinely I was laughing at myself and looked into the mirror and said to me, now I am something different because I have done something good with my life. So guys, in last, I would like to end my speech by saying your mother and father are waiting to celebrate your success. So do not waste your time. Start implementing something good. If you are doing 5 minutes, it's okay, do. But you should always improve of your 1% of your life. So last but not least, I would like to end my speech by saying Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much.
Yes.